goes too quick that time.
It does. It flies by. Literally, we get there. We had to go and get another pump as well.
Got blood and everything on it.
We've been diving around everywhere.
Who's bleeding? Is it Cameron or you?
He was doing loads of shooting
that's
today.
alright
Yeah, it's me.
Look at you.
My knee.
Well,
Sweating. No, but he's been doing
I
shots.
wouldn't go on everything.
You really go.
I'm a sick goalkeeper.
No header in today because of his earring.
Alright.
He said, oh, it's been itching me and that. He goes, I've wanted to have this done for years.
Did he? I've never even only mentioned it.
He said, I've wanted it done for years, but I didn't really say anything. And then I got it yesterday, I was buzzing to get it done.
It was. Save for her for a birthday. Yeah, I'm getting mine done. I'll go first. You had fun?
Yeah, we had fun. Yeah, like I said, I'm covered in mud. Covered in mud. What's going on in here? Oh, guess who?
I got a birthday.
Oh, sick.
I just won like 5 in a row.
I used to love that as a kid. Guess who?
And I got, do you know what double is?
No.
I just won like 5 in a row.
Go on then, Frank. Take her on.
Okay, I've got a person.
This is my person. Okay.
Who is it? What's his name?
You can't say
Okay, all right.
Okay, is your person a girl or boy?
Boy.
This is gonna be live.
Oh, look, he's got loads down.
Go.
Does your person have anything on their face or their ears or anything on their
They have
head?
earrings.
So they have earrings. Do they have? So just earrings.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does your person wear a hat?
Right, let him do his. Oh no.
Does your person wear a hat, Frank?
I think
no.
you might have won straight away.
Wow.
You might have won straight away, Sage. Or he might.
Oh, by the way, you have to move your goes. So when you get to 5, you can you have to put
Okay.
guess it. So add 2. So you need to get yours
I think there's only one person with earrings in there. No. Oh, it's close.
I put it on 2.
It is close.
Does your person have brown eyes?
No, my person does not.
Are you sure?
He doesn't have brown eyes.
Well, no, he doesn't have brown eyes, no. Oh, this is going to the wire. Oh.
Does your person have black hair?
Yes.
Black hair.
Oh no. What?
Would you no?
Is your
That's.
person-
Do you think that's brown or that?
That's brown, that hair.
Or
your
that
person-
brown? I think that's black.
yeah.
Is your person Daniel?
No.
Is your person Jordan? No.
Oh! No! So what happens here?
If it's Sage's go, so you can
Sage, you gotta guess.
Is your person Eric?
No! Oh
Is your person Lara?
Yeah!
Oh, that was so
Is your
close.
person supposed to be your person Al?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had him!
I know, it's so close. That was a sick game.
Okay, got one.
What was it?